Hello YouTube, this is Caro with Sales and Caro Crypto. Let's jump right in the video. When it comes to cryptocurrency, many new investors jump right in without understanding the basics of what it is. They don't take the time to learn about the technology behind it. They put money on a coin based on price action speculations and hype, which is a terrible way to invest. In this video, we are going to learn about 5 things to consider when buying crypto. Let's get to it. Number 1, what's behind the coin? Crypto projects are like any other business. They have a purpose and they solve a specific problem. When investing for a long term, it is essential to know who is behind this project, its team, their mission. Ask yourself, are they solving a problem? Check their social media, get involved with groups, and check their website. Focus on projects with real value and stay away from questionable projects with shady founders. Number 2, total circulating supply. Understand what it is and the difference between circulating supply, total supply, and max supply. The circulating supply is the number of coins that is circulating in the market and what people own. The total supply is the total amount in existence right now. And the max supply is the best approximation of the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist for that particular crypto. These numbers become important when evaluating the value of a crypto project. I personally found that looking at the circulating supply is best when determining the market capitalization. Market cap is the total value of all the coins a company has. Number 3, timing. After doing your research, the next step is to time your investment. Look at the volume indicators. I prefer to use RSI. The RSI is essentially a range tool and has 2, 30, and 70% threshold lines. I have a video on how it works along with volume. The digital currency world is known for being highly volatile. Buying into a new hot currency when people are talking about it may prompt investors to move quickly. In fact, you are more likely to have success if you monitor the industry before making a move. Number 4, white paper. The white paper is a document release explaining the utility of a company, its concepts, and a roadmap of how it plans to grow and succeed. Take the time to read it. Don't just scan through it. Just take the time, trust me. You will find this document in their website or analytic platforms like CoinMarketCap. Number 5, meme coins that needs that extra step. Meme coin is a digital currency that offers nothing in terms of traditional value. An extra step I take when investing in meme coins is check the contract by plugging the contract address into Puck.finance. Puck is a scanning tool built specifically to help investors avoid scams. And that's it. So just to recap, after doing your research, follow their social media and news, reading through their white papers and looking at the indicators, you can now decide to invest. Always, always trust your gut and of course, your knowledge. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.